Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make a heart. I'm gonna using this blue color, I mean the green. And it's gonna be the last color, everybody. Oh, I want to show you guys how to make this animal print probably. Right, what do you think? Green color, last one. And by the way, everybody, we only have this promotion, I mean this benefit, like free shipping worldwide over $59.99 during the lifetime, okay? Once at the end of life, that's not going to be available, okay? This is a benefit for all the new friends, you know, place your order during the lifetime. So if you need any help, let me know. Okay, just make sure you leave your email address at your checkout so we can have your email address to send you this tutorial. Hi, hi, hi. Now we're gonna grab this paper clip. Put them together. Give it 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let go. Oh my god, that's a crazy heart. Everybody, a heart. Do you see that one? Okay, this color also looking amazing, very natural. Just because that you don't have to have any base color to get this working. Okay, this is very friendly for the new beginners. Even you do this over your natural nails, that's gonna be also looking so cool. Let me show you this color of natural nail. Okay. Again, everybody, Dopamine collection. That's where you can find this collection. Okay, that's where you can find this collection. And today we have this free shipping worldwide over $59.99. So if you guys like this one, that's where we can find it in our shopping in our web right there. Okay, in our web right there. Sewing.com. That's where you go. And but this benefit, everybody, is only available during the lifetime. Okay, during the lifetime. And there are all the UV gel. You do need the UV to make it dry. Look at bring the shine out. See? Look at this. Is it crazy? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Now, ladies, before I go, I would like to show you guys how to make these animal prints. So, what do you think? Mermaid, cheetah, zebra, which one? Leave a comment below. These are the animal prints we can create with the stencils. I want to show you before I go. So I have this mermaid, cheetah, zebra. So what do you think? You guys are giving a hard time. One mermaid, one zebra, two mermaid, perfect. Mermaid wins. Any other? Alright, so I guess so I guess we're gonna do this. No problem. Night night. Night night. Zebra mermaid. Okay, so basically mermaid and zebra, right? Wait a second. Mermaid. Okay, let's do mermaid. Let's do mermaid. Wait a second. Honey, we always do. So after we purchase, we're gonna see in the tutorial. Okay, there's so many things you can do with this ketchup polish. With all the details, you can watch our tutorials. Okay, you can tell me any specific one. I can show right now. Now cue this one for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Right. Then we're gonna create this mermaid. So wait a second, by the way, everybody. So if you're not making any design, you can just already, cue this one as your top coat. But if you use the stencil, I recommend you take this sticky layer away. Okay, so your stencil can stay firmly. No problem, no problem. Okay, now we're gonna grab this mermaid. Oh, this is quite annoying. I think this one had been used for so many times already. Wait a second, ladies. All right. I know it's a little bit dark, right? But don't worry, we're gonna light it up later. You're gonna see the final look. Okay, now we're gonna get this padding, black padding down. Then take this off. Now we're going to just put it back because you can use it for next time. Because it's the plastic material. Now for this one, get the gel you get on the skin, wipe it off. Okay, and give it 10 seconds curing. But just because everybody, this is not the final look. Okay, give it 10 seconds curing. We're gonna need the top coat. The top coat gonna make it light up. Ten seconds is enough. Okay, now we're gonna get the top coat. Capper, now if you always got a peeling or problem, now give it 20 seconds. 40 seconds to 1 minute curing. Okay, but I can show you with 20 seconds. This top coat can be already fully cured. Now everybody, do you guys like this final look? Mermaid. Is it cute? That's the final look.